Some days it just feels like we're playing Russian roulette. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S Daily Update for Tuesday, August the 3rd. And, well, just another wild day in this series of illiquid markets and craziness that goes on. In the meantime, this update is brought to you by our friends and partners at the Capital Trading Group, CTG. And, of course, we have many other brokers, but our preference and our only authorized vendor for the letter of direction trading is the Capital Trading Group, or CTG. And listen, they've got great service. They take care of business. They're there to help you. They do all of my accounts. They've got some great managed futures products. You want to check them out, go to info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That is info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. In the meantime, we've got, what a market. It was way up early once again. And right now the Dow is up 8. Okay, on its way lower. The NASDAQ, after being up huge, once again is cracked and is down 42. The S&P is now down 220. Or 225, actually. Let me read it. The Russell, after being up big, is down 175. We are still long. The other three short the Russell. Okay. Crude oil down $1.05 after being higher, and it was actually down almost $2. And it looks pretty ugly at the moment. Okay. We're still long, but it looks pretty ugly. Okay. Gold is lower. We're long. Okay. And it's not as concerning other than the losing of money. But when you look at the gold market, there is no volume. So it's more of an annoyance than it is anything else. But silver is down. We're short. And platinum, which we don't trade, but that's getting cracked. That's looking to get ready to go below 1,000. Okay. So it could get very, very ugly. Crude oil, copper is getting waxed. Of course, we're still long. Which again, look, these markets, there's a lot of warning signs out there, and the action, you remember, we're in the dead of summer where there's no action. So you get these bigger moves on air pockets, that I call them, that make no sense, but you get them anyways. And natural gas is higher again, interestingly enough. Bitcoin, it's down a little bit, but look, it's first of all, we are long at the micro Bitcoin. Number one, but it is just, look, you had a big move, you had a $10,000 move or 10,000 point move, whatever you want to call it. And it's kind of flattish now. So, it's just kind of churning, but it's churning up at higher levels. So, it's something you can't worry about. Bonds and notes, they're kind of flattish, or it's a little bit positive. We're still long, but they're kind of flat here. But they've had such a big move. You expect, there's certain things you learn to expect in markets as they trade, because, we get to certain points and certain things are just part of the business, right? You get a big move one way. Normally you do get something the other way for a little bit. And in the grains, okay, they're all down, but corn is down, which we're short only a little bit, 4 cents. And wheat that we're long is a penny down, but soybeans are getting smacked down 32 cents. So that's ugly. Again, we're having it's an ugly start for the good guys today. But again, we don't look at it day by day, so I wouldn't get too worried about it. And in the feeder cattle market, which we're long, is slightly higher. Hogs higher again, we're long. And fat cattle or live cattle, we are long as well. So that's helping ease our pain. And cotton is flat, and we are long. Coffee is higher, and we are long. Sugar is flat, and we're long. Cocoa is up, we're long, and OJ is up, and we're long. So the pictures, look, it's summer. That's the answer. Okay. It is summer, illiquid, crappy markets, non-tradable, but we're in all the time. So we don't try to outsmart or figure it out. But from a trading perspective, okay, from an active trader perspective, this is not the market for you. Okay. So just be careful out there. That's, what we want you to be, is careful and cautious. In the meantime, don't forget about our other brokerage partner at Tradier. That is for equities and options. Look, they're $10 a month. Yes, I have other brokers. I always give you a full disclosure, but they are $10 a month. It saves me 5 figures a month in commission. Okay. It's 65 cents a contract that you have to pay the other people. In the meantime, we also have their APIs, which allows us to automate our equity portfolios for you if you want to. It's free. Whether the fee is the fee, whether you get automated trading or not. If you want to be automated and have it totally done for you, you can do so. If you don't have to. And you don't have to trade a trader either. You trade wherever you want. Again, we give you what we think is best and who we have vetted to be our best partners. Okay. Which that brings us to Family Farms, another great partner. I mean, farmers, you got to check out Family Farms. They've got some great tools to help you. They have your interest. They're on your side, unlike most of the people in this business that are not on your side. Okay. These guys are on your team. Okay. So check them out. Okay. And don't forget about our commodity report at Hecht. Andy Hecht does his technical report. And as I tell you every day, if you're in the commodity space and you're not reading this report, go visit a doctor because you're making a big mistake. And, go to BUBBATrading.com. It's technical. Check it out. We're doing our hedging webinar on Saturday. If you would like to come and see it, just send me an email at bubba@bubbatrading.com. I'll send you the link. It's free. And our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/BubbaTrading. That's patreon.com/BubbaTrading. In the meantime, be careful out there. This is as tough as it gets as a trader. Okay. Now, again, it doesn't mean it's not tradable, but the patience that it takes to be good now is extra. There is no skating by gambling. You got to be right on it. So have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. Take care.